So the next topic is Newton's second law. What is a Newton's second law? It means after a mass m is attached to a spring, it stretches the spring by an amount s and attains a position of equilibrium at which its weight w is balanced by the restoring force. Which means here is the string and I am attaching a mass of m with that spring. So now this mass stretches the spring by an amount s. As you can see, this is the s. So this spring is, you can say, is stretches by an amount s, and this is the equilibrium position where the weight, which is equals to the restoring force, that is equals to ks. Now recalling that the weight is defined by w equals to mg, where mass is measured in slugs, kilograms or the grams, and g is equals to 32 feet per second square or 9.8 meter per second square or 980 centimeter per second square respectively. It means if we are dealing or finding the value of the weight, I am taking the value of the gravity like that, or 9.8 or 980. If we are measuring the mass in slugs, I am taking the value of the gravity as g equals to 32 feet. So further is, as indicated in the figure, the condition of equilibrium is mg, which is equals to kx. As we mentioned here that the weight is equals to the restoring force. So the weight is here equals to mg. So mg, which is equals to ks or mg minus kx equals to 0. So this is the equilibrium position of that spring. Now further is, if the mass is displaced by an amount x from its equilibrium position, the restoring force of the spring is then kx plus s. Now here we are displacing that mass m at a distance x in the downward direction. So now the restoring force is x plus s. Assume that there is no retarding force acting on the system, and assume that the mass vibrates free of other external force. You can say free motion. It means there is no external force applied on the spring so that it can disturb that the motion of the spring. There is no retarding force or the external force. So the spring vibrates by itself without any help of any other force. Further is, we can equate Newton's second law with the net or the resultant force of the restoring force, and the weight is m d square x over dt square, which is equals to minus k s plus x plus mg. So this is the equation for the Newton's second law. Further I am going to simplify it. This result is equals to minus kx plus mg minus kx, and as you know, mg minus ks is equals to 0, that equilibrium position. So I am taking the 0 at the place of this, so I got only minus kx. So m d square s over dt square is equals to minus kx. Further is the negative sign in the 1. Here the negative sign in the 1 indicates that the restoring force of the spring acts opposite to the direction of the motion. The restoring force is now opposite to the motion. The motion is in downward direction and restoring force is in upward direction. So I am taking the negative sign here. Further, if we adopt the convention that the displacement measured below the equilibrium position are positive, if the position is in downward direction, downward the equilibrium position, then we are taking here the positive sign. If it is in the opposite direction, in the upward direction to the equilibrium position, then I am taking the negative sign here.